Hey everyone, Zach here with Trial by Trail Overland, and today we are going to be unboxing our new Arb Zero fridge freezer. We are really excited to have this thing. Since prior to getting this one, we had the Engel 40 quart, and it was great for a couple of days, but anything kind of further, without the size of our family, it just wasn't quite large enough. And although we want to stay away from ice, it might be nice to have a little with us for drinks or popsicles, ice cream, whatever. Having the dual compartments of this Arb fridge is going to be awesome. All right, well, let's get this thing open. Like this fell out of the box. Build quality looks pretty good. Feels nice. I love this finish on this new refrigerator from the Arb. So there's a little latch under here. Looks like it latches in two different points. First impressions of this Fridge Freezer Zero from the Arb are fantastic. The build quality is great. The amount of room that you have inside of this refrigerator freezer with a separate compartment that you could either set to be a refrigerator, you could set it to be a freezer. Just the versatility that you have in this thing is really what drew us to it. It has a nice digital display on the side. It also has an outlet for your phone if you need to charge it. It has a USB port. It also has these cup holders. This is a rubber finish, and you know, I'm not sure that we're ever going to use this, but it's there. The corner guards on this are really nice. The badging, all of that just looks really nice. So it also has down here on the sides, on each side, these built-in tie downs. These things look to be pretty high quality. And I know they have a strap kit that they'll be coming out with specifically for this refrigerator. And there's also a slide. It doesn't appear that it's released yet. We're hoping to get one of them as soon as they are. So I think that pretty much covers the unboxing video. If you have any specific questions or you want to see anything specifically about this refrigerator, feel free to shoot me a message. So far, the thing looks great. I'm really happy with the purchase. Now we're gonna get it plugged in, some beverages, get some food in there, and get it in the Jeep and go use it. Subscribe, hit that like button, hit the notification bell to get notified when we put out new videos if you like what you saw. Again, Zach with Trial by Trail Overland. Until next time, we'll catch you later.